We are pleased to show you the 2021 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.